Click the link in the description below to get your lifetime deal discount special offer. My ADHD brain loves this. No more YouTube rabbit holes. Click the link in the description for a special lifetime deal on KillerPlayer, the tool that's saving my sanity one video at a time. Ever embedded a YouTube video on your website only to watch your visitors disappear down a recommendation rabbit hole? Or cringe at those annoying ads popping up in your carefully crafted content? KillerPlayer transforms any YouTube video into a sleek, ad-free, branded experience. No YouTube logo, no distractions, just your content looking professional. You get customizable themes, clickable CTAs, and even email capture forms built right in. Plus, your own watermark, password protection, and analytics to track performance. While Wistia and Vimeo charge £200 plus yearly, KillerPlayer is just £69.99 once for lifetime access. With a 4.8/5 rating from over 190 reviews, it's clearly doing something right. Click the link below to grab your lifetime deal before it disappears. Your future viewers and your ADHD brain will thank you.